Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Today I've got a 2018 Ford Mustang on the hoist. I've got a product offering from MBRP I can't wait to show you. But before we get under there, let's check this out. So this is the center resonator on all 5-liter Mustangs. Long and short of it is, who wants a resonator anymore? Let's crawl underneath here. I'll show you what MBRP has to offer. So, as you guys know, I always mention MBRP is a compliant company, so the cats always stay in place. The front pipes stay in place on this one, and then here is your resonator bypass. Basically, high flow X section, inlet and outlet pipes. We're gonna use the factory clamps up front, and we're gonna use the MBRP band clamps back here. Why do I like this so much? First off, it's super cost effective. Secondly, it's really easy to install. And third, it allows you to build a component style exhaust system. So what do I mean by that? Throw that on your Mustang and it sounds awesome. Combine that with, say, our street axle back or even our race axle back, and your Mustang is gonna sound killer. Speaking of sound, this one's done. Let's get it down on the ground, take it for a rip. All right, so we got the Mustang on the ground. Let's get it out in the highway, see what this baby sounds like. Nice, easy, mellow acceleration. Yeah, you know what? The neat thing, this is definitely not, wouldn't be our mellow, wouldn't be our moderate. This is definitely aggressive, but I say that and I think we get the best of both worlds, because when I'm pulling through the gears, hopefully you guys can hear it. Like, it's got that Mustang sound at the bumper, at the tailpipes. Now I'm just gonna put it into 6th gear now. I can have a conversation all day long in this car. And I've got lots of miles on this car with this setup. It's not only fun to drive, but man, it just sounds so good now. So this is a great low cost option for anyone wanting to upgrade their Mustang without spending the money on a catback. Or, you know what, if you just want to do this now and add the axle backs later, then that's an option too. And then you know what? You start putting some downshifts in. And this just sounds so good. Speaking of sounding good, let's step on a little bit and we'll see what. So everyone plays with a Mustang. I gotta grab a couple gears too. So long and short of it is, ease of install, great sound without being obnoxious, but it's aggressive, low cost. Yeah man, this is a great upgrade for your Mustang. Part number 7213409. Check it out at mbrp.com.